Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix MetaTrader 5 account login authorization failed issue. Alright, so let's begin with the video. One of the simplest solutions is to refresh the application installation and then carefully verify your login details. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and go to iPhone Storage. Scroll through the list of installed applications until you find MetaTrader 5. Tap on it to open the storage options for the app. From there, select Offload App. This will remove the application itself while keeping its documents and data stored on your device. After the offload process is complete, reinstall the application from the same screen and allow the installation to finish. Once MetaTrader 5 has been reinstalled, open the app again and proceed with the login process. Inside MetaTrader 5, go to the Settings section and choose New Account and search for your broker from the available list. Select the correct broker server, and continue. And that's it! So that's basically how you can fix MetaTrader 5 account login authorization failed issue. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.